Have you ever wondered how a car is made? Today, we'll unravel this mystery. Picture this: a symphony of man and machine, a ballet of precision and coordination. The journey begins with a spark of an idea, followed by meticulous planning and design. Then a dance of metal, fire, and paint unfolds, transforming raw materials into a sleek, aerodynamic body. Finally, the pieces come together in a harmonious assembly, giving birth to a roaring beast on wheels. So buckle up as we take you through the fascinating journey of a car from mere parts to a roaring beast. The first step in car manufacturing is, of course, the design and planning phase. Imagine an artist with a blank canvas, only this time the artist is an engineer, and the canvas is a high-tech software. This is where the magic begins. It's a delicate balance between safety, aerodynamics, and aesthetics. Safety because, well, nobody wants a car that crumbles like a cookie at the slightest bump. Aerodynamics because a car that moves like a brick in the wind is no fun at all. And aesthetics because who doesn't love a car that makes heads turn? Material selection plays a vital role too. Whether it's lightweight aluminum for a sports car or sturdy steel for a pickup truck, the materials are chosen meticulously. And let's not forget the price range. You wouldn't find gold-plated interiors in an economy car, would you? Once the design is finalized and the materials are chosen, it's time to start the actual manufacturing process. Welcome to the press shop, where the car begins to take shape. This is where the magic begins, where large sheets of metal are transformed into the skeletal framework of your future ride. Imagine a colossal cookie cutter, only instead of sugar dough, it's slicing through hefty metal sheets like a hot knife through butter. These monstrous machines, aptly named presses, exert a force equivalent to a herd of elephants standing on a postage stamp. And voila! What emerges are not gingerbread men but the intricate pieces that will form your car's body. But it's not all brute force and heavy lifting here. Precision is key. Each cut, each bend, each crease must be exact, accurate to a fraction of a millimeter. It's a ballet of steel and hydraulics, a symphony of power and precision. Next stop, the body shop. This is where our jigsaw puzzle comes together. Robots, their arms whirling in a perfectly choreographed dance, pick up these metal pieces, welding and bolting them together. It's like watching a group of super strong, super precise, disco-dancing spiders weaving a metal web. And then, there it is. What was once a mere sheet of metal now stands before us as a gleaming car body, its curves and contours a testament to the marriage of art and engineering. But don't be fooled by its shiny exterior. This is still a rough diamond. It may have the shape of a car, but it's still a long way from being a car. Our car body, fresh out of the body shop, is like a teenager, full of potential but not quite ready to hit the road. It needs further refinement, a splash of color, an engine to power it, and all the little bits and bobs that make a car, well, a car. Now we have a car body, but it's still a long way from being a car. So buckle up, folks. The journey's just begun. We've still got a lot of ground to cover before our car is ready to vroom down the highway. Next stop, the paint shop, where the car gets its skin. Here, our soon-to-be road warrior undergoes a transformative process. It all starts with priming. This isn't some fancy spa treatment though, it's the first crucial step in painting. Priming helps the paint adhere better to the car's body and protects it from rust and corrosion. Then comes the actual painting. This isn't your regular arts and crafts project, folks. It's a meticulous process that requires multiple layers to achieve that perfect hue and sheen. The car is bathed in color, giving it not just its personality, but also an additional layer of protection against the elements. Finally, we have the clear coating. Think of this as the car's sunscreen. It shields the paint from the sun's harmful UV rays, and gives it that shiny, fresh from the showroom look. And there you have it, priming, painting, clear coating. 3 steps to ensure your car's color and shine last longer than your latest diet. Once the car is painted, it's time for the final assembly. Finally, we reach the assembly line where all the magic happens. This is the stage where our car truly starts to take shape. It's like watching a caterpillar metamorphose into a butterfly, only this butterfly is a high-powered machine with a top speed that would make a cheetah green with envy. Let's start with the car's interior. Here, the dashboard, steering wheel, seats, and all those gadgets and gizmos we love to play with get fitted. It's a delicate process, kind of like assembling a jigsaw puzzle. Only this puzzle can take you from 0 to 60 in less time than it takes to say, supercar. Next, we move on to the heart of the beast, the engine. Now this is where things get really exciting. The engine is carefully hoisted and lowered into the car, an operation that requires precision and care. It's like performing open-heart surgery, only the patient is a car, and the heart is a hunk of metal that can produce several hundred horsepower. Following the engine installation, the car's other components are added. This includes the exhaust, radiator, battery, and all the necessary wiring. It's a bit like decorating a Christmas tree, only instead of baubles and tinsel, you're dealing with pipes and cables. Now, it's all well and good to assemble a car. But what's crucial is ensuring that everything is done correctly. That's where quality control comes in. Every car that rolls off the assembly line is meticulously inspected to ensure it meets the highest standards. It's a bit like having your homework checked by the world's strictest teacher. Only this teacher is checking for faulty wiring instead of spelling mistakes. So, you see, the assembly line is where the car comes to life. It's a symphony of parts coming together to create a masterpiece of engineering. And it's all done with a level of precision and care that would make a Swiss watchmaker proud. And there you have it, a brand new car ready to hit the road. So that's how a car is made. From the first spark of design and meticulous planning, to the thunderous roar of the press shop and the delicate precision of the body shop. Then, it's off to the paint shop where it gets its vibrant coat of color. Finally, the assembly line, where all the pieces come together in harmony. It's a symphony of industry and innovation, of creativity and craftsmanship. Next time you drive your car, take a moment to appreciate the incredible process that went into making it.